Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel, hit the like button, share this video, and type a number that will pop up somewhere in this video. Type it down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chances of winning the free money once I reach 8,000 subscribers. Now, let's get into this video. Welcome to AppGrind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make $199 every 30 minutes in PayPal money. Now, if you're new to my channel, as you can see here, I make a lot of videos about making money online. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So, do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions. Any questions at all about this video. Now, without further ado, let me hop over here to this site and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it. Okay guys, I'm at this website. The name of this website is 99 Designs. So it says here, world-class design at your service. 99 Designs is the go-to graphic design service by Vista. We make it easy to work with professional creative experts from around the world and build your brand through custom memorable design. So guys, what you're going to be doing is designing a logo for companies. So I have an account. What I'm going to do is log in. I'm going to show you how you can be able to make money on this site. Okay guys, I'm inside my account. So as soon as you log in, I'm going to click right here where it says your work. You're going to click where it says browse contests. It's going to take you to this page here. And here are the contests. When companies come to this website, they're looking for people to design logos for them. So what we're going to do is just click on logo right here. It's going to take you to the contest where companies are looking for a logo to be made. So check out this one right here. So on this one, they're looking for a magical logo design needed for children's Christmas letter company. So let's just click on this. Now, it shows here how much they're rewarding the graphic designer for the logo, which is $268. So you can get $268 just designing a logo. Now, you're probably saying to yourself, I'm not a graphic designer. I don't know anything about making logos. Well, what I'm going to do, guys, is show you a website you can go to where you can get all that done for you for free. You don't have to do anything. So let me go to that website right now. Okay guys, I'm at the website. So the name of this website is Free Logo Creator. And all you have to do is put in the company name. So I went ahead, for example, I'm going to go ahead and put my company name, which is AppGrind TV. Then you select what industry. I'm going to select business and consulting. And then after you do that, you just click where it says create a logo. And boom, it creates the logo for you, as you can see here. And it creates different variations of the logo. So if you want this style, you got that. You want this style, they got that. So they got all different type of styles. For some reason you don't like their logo design, you want to go ahead and add your own or something like that, you can just click right here where it says edit. It'll take you to this page and you can type whatever you want to right there. You can take that logo out and put another one in. So that's how this website works, guys. You don't have to do anything unless you want to change the logo or the name. So once you get that done, all you do is click right here and it downloads the logo. And you go back to 99 Designs and go ahead and submit your logo to this contest. And boom, once they pick your logo, you're getting $268. So guys, that's how this method works. So to get started, go ahead and go to 99designs.com, sign up, and then use the free logo creator to create the logo and get this money. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this method. And please share this video all around the internet, because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become financially free. And last but not least, please hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. Okay guys, one last thing I want to tell you guys before I end this video is, if you look under this video, I have a merch shop. So I finally got some merch that you guys can order. I got t-shirts with all different type of designs on there. So if y'all want to represent my channel, go ahead and click on the AppGrind shop below this video and pick any type of shirt you want. It's going to be delivered directly to your home. And plus, the proceeds is going to help out this channel, because I'm trying to grow this channel. I'm trying to get better at my videos. I'm trying to get better equipment. So it'll help me out a lot, guys. If you can go ahead and purchase that shirt, you have a nice looking shirt. And in return, you're going to be helping this channel out. All right, that's it. Thanks again for tuning in. I really appreciate it. Road to 8,000. Let's go. Let's get it. And on that note, get your grind on, because our grind is real. Please go check out these other videos until my next one come out. Peace and have a prosperous day.